Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 200 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. To get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once your content is prepped and visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up with share and scroll options. And after a moment, this will disappear. The first time around, it gives you a couple info was what you can do with it. But afterwards, it will look like this, and then it will vanish. So once it vanishes, you can find the screenshot in your Photos application. And I'm gonna go back to the main tab, as that's where you would usually be located at. So in here, your screenshots will show up. As you can see, there is a screenshot, but if you want to find certain screenshots later on, like weeks down the line, it will be, I would say, easier to find them in albums. And there's an album called Screenshots. In here you'll find screenshots and screen recordings, but this is still much more organized than looking through entire library of photos, videos, pictures, downloaded images, and all that stuff. So there we go. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.